Hello, friends. Good evening, everyone. Gigutom ko. I'm so hungry. I went to bed and I woke up and I feel the the starvation. I'm starving. Okay. I have here plantains, which I previously posted in my Facebook, and this it comes from Ecuador. Sometimes it comes from Guatemala, but by this time it comes from Ecuador. So this is a huge plantain that I'll be making something, a new recipe for this coming Sunday. But sometimes I cannot wait really for Sunday. Tomorrow will be Friday, and so I might as well make that simple recipe. It's called saging binoylos. So now this is a whole banana. So I cut it into half, take out the edge, both edges, the crown. So this is the nice part of the plantain sagging or banana plantains. Now sometimes it looks like ugly, but that's how it should look like. And this is sweet and tasty. Okay, I'm going to put this into my microwave, but I'm going to make a slit here using my knife. So where's my little knife? Okay, I'll just use this big knife. So friends, using the tip or the edge of my knife, I try to make a slit. There you go. So let's put this into my microwave. If you don't have microwave, you can boil this banana plantains. Well, normally for this size of this banana, it takes 8 minutes. So let's set for 8 minutes. And then start. Set that aside. So I will pair that with butter or margarine. So friends, it takes 4 more minutes in the making or the cooking of that banana through microwave. Here in my plato or my serving platter or dish, so I'm going to have some butter or margarine. There you go. I'm getting my placemat. So our timer send it up, so I'll have to open it. Okay, there you go. It's still pretty warm or hot. So let the steam out. And so this is our cooked banana plantains through microwave. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to peel this one and slice it or cut it into pieces. At the same time, wonderful friends, I'm going to warm this electric kettle because I'm going to make a drink, a hot beverage. So there you go. Let the steam out. So what I'm going to do next is cut my plantains. This is really delicious, friends. It's so starchy, that's how it should be. If you don't have plantains banana, you can always use whatever cooking bananas you have. Especially back home, we have saba or saba. So friends, the color is quite yellow. To some people, this is very interesting to eat because they haven't tried this one yet. So for those of you, it's a must try type of dish or food. And I'm using my La Arnis Kitchen and Food Creations mug. And I am going to make some hot beverages using this store-bought package of soybeans, soya drink. I'm going to add another one so that it is more tasty. I got this from Great Asian Store. So this one is less sugar. So I'll be adding hot water. So stir it. This will serve as my midnight snacks. Still very hot. Okay, I have here a little bit of, what's this? From Tim Hortons. It's chocolate that we bought. Say, I will just add a little bit. The soybean drink, or hot beverage, is flavorful already. So I'm adding just 1 teaspoon of this chocolate, or I think this is French vanilla from Tim Hortons. That's my husband's favorite. I'm not into it, but I'm just adding this one. Okay, time check in. We'll see. Well, it's 10 minutes before midnight. Oh la la. Okay, after this one, I'm gonna relax a bit and get into my bed. So, wonderful friends, thank you once again for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creation. Stay tuned for the next cooking and baking, what should I say, lessons, sessions. My goal in my kitchen is simply for fun sharing and learning. It gives you the ideas on what to prepare for your family's next meal, especially for breakfast, for lunch, and even simple desserts. Okay. So this is a must-try This is a must-try food, I should say. And okay, and there you go. Love you all and have a good night, everyone. So what, oh, by the way, what you will do is I have to put this into my butter. But I don't need brown sugar or any sugar because the plantains are very sweet already. Night, night, friends.